Good morning and welcome back to Video Diary on the farm. Monday morning after Storm Dora. Yeah, a lot of rain. Things are very wet now. We haven't no trees down. Well, don't think we have at the minute. Nothing reported. But yeah, a lot of wind and a lot of rain, so things are wet now. But as you can see, we're out loading barley, and we've got a bit of that going this week, and a lot of rape. So we're planning to keep us busy, what with wash downs and maintenance. So yeah, it's all lead up to Christmas. So hopefully we'll catch you at the end. Yeah, they're all flying about. Yeah, we're on an important job, putting the bangers out, flags, keep the pigeons off. A bit like wacky races. Stop the pigeon. Yeah, it's all set up. Oh, it must have scared them all when we come down the field. There's a few flying about. Yeah, you can see where the pigeons are starting to strip the leaves. Yeah, I'm afraid it's now it's war. We've got to stop the pigeons, as Dick Dastardly would say. For anybody who's old enough to remember that. Also, we're putting the bird scarers out as well, the spinning bird scarers. A bit thin, this rape here. Very thin. Bit of black grass in with it. But it's been sprayed now. Also, we're putting flags out. This is where the old gator comes into its own when we're doing pigeons over winter. Travel around the fields even when it's wet and not leave a mark. So yeah, really handy things. Now just listen to this for a bang. If this doesn't scare pigeons, I don't know what won't. Hell, that's deafening, that is. And that's set for 2 bangs every half an hour. Anyway, it's on a test fire at the minute, which we do just to check it. So its second bang will be going off in a minute. It's charging with gas. No, it didn't go off that time. Bugger. There we are again, the second bang. It's 2 bangs. Another one nearly ticked off the wash down list. Yeah, George is making a cracking job. Like new now. Yep, we're getting through the list steadily. All good stuff. We're just on my way down to the country park to fill the biomass boiler up. They've about run out. I think they've been self-feeding with a little Kubota. But yeah, we're going to dump some big loads in it and get it filled up. And one more fill just before Christmas, carry them over while everyone's on the Christmas break, and that will hopefully keep them going, unless it turns severely cold over Christmas. Right, well we're shifting some more oilseed rape at the minute. A few ton in here to go out yet. It's never ending, is it? Another clean down, another tag. No combi. Also ongoing is getting machines ready for next year. The SLD here is on. Derek's getting on this underway. It's having new discs fitted on the front. I'll show you. Because look at them. They've worn out. They've done 2 seasons, but it was that hard this year and that abrasive. It's worn them out, but that looks better. A lot better, that. Also, if it needs new bearings in, well, that's had new casting on that one whole stem. But yeah, they're taking them all off. All these are coming off, and then the bearings are being looked at and tightened up if necessary. Also, the DD rings, they're absolutely shot on here. They're slipping, they won't tighten up because you tighten them from the end bearings underneath. You can't see them there, but they're compressed. Anyway, they're not tightening anymore, and they've actually, these have been on, these are original since 2016. So yeah, it's having some new DD rings on there. Yeah, this is what's happening. They're all being stripped down and that, and this one's got to have a new bearing in. So George is on it. Derek's actually pulled him in to help, but yeah, getting it done this winter anyway, while we're quiet-ish. Well, getting that time of year again now. We're getting some more mushroom compost delivered. Just come to push it up into heat so I can get some more on the pad, and then we shall soon start taking it to the fields, ready for spreading in the spring. Yeah, we use the grain pusher to push it up. We found this is the best method, with it being light and bulky, plus you can get it a good height. Get it on. Missed it. Ah, we missed it. Try again anyway. That's it. The locking pin's in on that button. There we go. She's in. Alright, we'll get on. See if we do a bit of video. I'll do it one-handed to give you the idea. It's better when I've got 2 hands on the controls though. On a good thing as well, the grain pusher, you don't have to get all your wheels in the into the compost because you stood well back. So yeah, that works really well as well. A little bit, keep shaving a bit off and pushing it up. It works well. Anyway, I'm going to crack on with it, and I'll show you the finished result. Smoking, some heat in it. There we are, all pushed up. There's 4 loads there. Didn't take long at all really with the pusher. You can bring some more and push it up again. We've got an imposter in the shed. Anyway, we've just been kindly lent this by Farmstar, and I'm going to do a bit of a review, a personal review on it myself. Well, that's coming over Christmas, so you'll have to wait till then to see it. But yeah, first impressions, looks smart. What I'm doing on my tractor is we need a memory stick with all my fields on. So I've just plugged my memory stick into my armrest there, and it's simple as this. And it's asking me, do I want to do a data exchange? So yeah, because it's selected the USB stick. So I'm going to press that. Get rid of that. Selected layers. Anyway, right. So now I want my internal storage on that. So what I want to do, we want all the maps on the fields. All these fields I want transfer into my memory stick. So I'm going to put all that on, and then hopefully that's all of them. It'll transfer, but I'm just going to take off all these. I don't want them on. Just want my fields. We're getting there, 64, 65%, 65. Yep, it's climbing steadily. A lot of data on here. Nearly there. 98. The select elements have been processed, so yep, they're all, that's it. It's showing each side now. They're both on the memory stick as well as the tractor. So now I can get rid of that, and we're good to go. So yep, pull that memory stick out. We're good. Right. Yeah, Andrew wants the field boundaries off my tractor because we modified some fields this year, so they're all up to date what's on this memory stick. So I'm going to give him, and yeah, it's all for the when we kick off with the nitrogen in the spring on variable rates, because each field's going to have variable rates on it this year. Well, there's some water flowing now down the dikes after Storm Dara. Yeah, until they're all cleaned out. Certainly plenty of water coming. Anyway, that's it for this week's edition of Video Dara on the Farm. Hope you enjoyed the content, and as always, if you have, please hit that like, share and subscribe, because it's free to subscribe. Let's please see if we can get them numbers up a bit more. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and catch you again next week.